Reddit about to take the IPO plunge. The company planning to list on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker RDDT and is expected to start trading next month. Joining us right now with more on all of it, Alex Kantrowitz, big technology founder and a CNBC contributor. And I know so many people, 4 o'clock, 4:30 came around yesterday, and everybody's sort of, trying to go through all of that S1. What was the biggest highlight for you?
It just wasn't very impressive. I mean, this company's been around for 19 years. It has 72 million daily active users. Right, that's 410 million less than Facebook had when it went public, and that was in 2012, 2013 when they filed. So you look at Reddit, you say they don't have the user growth, they're losing money, and you start to say, where does this company actually, have a chance in the eyes of investors? Maybe it's AI, but I don't think it's the traditional social network path, which is user growth and advertising.
Well, in terms of AI, I thought one of the other things that was fascinating that happened yesterday was they're announcing this plan to have a bigger partnership with Google, which effectively means we are going to start selling more of our data to train on, I believe, for AI purposes, for Google's purposes. So they're taking your information and selling it. How do you feel about that?
Look, trust me, if I'm Reddit, I'm going to Wall Street, and then that's the pitch completely. I mean, the deal is for around $203 million. That's about 8% incremental revenue for Reddit last year, and they had 20% revenue growth. So you think about the ways that they can make money. Advertising, very difficult on Reddit because it's bespoke. You have a company like Weight Watchers. I was looking at the front page today. They have to speak in Reddit lingo and use Reddit phrases and put it in the Reddit format. It's a pain for such a small network. Most advertisers don't want to do that. But we're entering in this era where the data to train AI models is super important. Make it current, make it useful. If Reddit can do a $203 million deal with just Google, then there's a chance that they can do other deals with other companies. And then you go to Wall Street and you say, this is going to be our business. This will be the growth business. Give us a chance. They're not going to get a lot of money otherwise. So this is their one opportunity.
Were you surprised how big a stake Sam Altman owns in this company?
I was initially, but you take a look back. Sam Altman's been a longtime user of Reddit. Right. He led a large round in 2014. Obviously, he held on to the stock. So I think that's another thing that they have going for them. They could basically tell Wall Street investors, look, take a ride together with us and Sam Altman. We are an important element in the AI economy moving forward. And this is a good bet. It's not a huge bet, but it's a good bet. Might as well put it in the portfolio.
How would you think about Reddit relative to Twitter? Is that the comp? What is the comp for this company?
Yeah, smaller, more volatile Twitter, I would say. I mean, it has all the problems of Twitter's and none of the size.
So they would say that they don't have the problems of Twitter. They would say that they've actually moderated a lot of the content. I don't know if you think moderation is good or bad. We've talked about woke, anti-woke, whatnot.
Now, remember, it's a 19-year company, right? So just because they've been more stringent on moderation over the past few years doesn't mean put yourself in a position of a chief marketing officer that goes into the CEO office and you say, we have this one big brand campaign. We're going to put it on Reddit. The CEO would laugh you out of the office. This is 2 decades of brand hurt that they're trying to roll back. It doesn't happen overnight. And again, the ad formats are untraditional. So, they might have changed a little bit over time, but I don't think they're fully out of that bucket that Twitter is in.
Okay, last question. Reddit Army, what we call the Reddit Army, they are prepared to sell special shares potentially to members of the Reddit Army, right? There's going to be these 3 classes of shares that potentially could be on offer to folks who live on Reddit. We've talked about, does this become some kind of meme stock? We all lived through the GameStop phenomenon. Is it possible that this is some kind of stock that people hold and love in a different way, almost like a hodler would hold Bitcoin because they just love it so much?
No. If you look at Wall Street Bets today, which is where a lot of this meme stock action happened, they noticed that Reddit has listed them in the risk factor section of the prospectus. And the chatter there is, let's short it. And by the way, these are smart investors, right? They see something in a stock, they hold it. If they don't see something in a stock, they don't hold it. And I just don't think there's enough in Reddit right now that would merit them saying, let's go enforce. By the way, Robinhood, which was part of that whole meme stock, made some of its shares available to its investors, down 60% from its IPO price. I wouldn't count on this being a big part of the entire thing.